Hello beauty squad, it's your girl TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here, to all things life, love, and beauty. I want to thank you guys for tuning in today because I'm bringing you another review today. I live in Cali, so I've got to try this. I've got to review it. I got to see how this is going to work out. And it's Colourpop. And yeah, you start talking about my home state, you know, California, you know, let me be the judge and jury and executioner, hopefully not, on this. So this is what we're going to be testing out today. But before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As I already say, you're already here. Just subscribe. You've watched, I've seen you watching. Just hit the little bell so you know when my videos are uploaded. And you'll be like, shout from the rooftops, TeeTee is on. I gots to go. Two snaps up in the circle. But anyway, we're going to get into this review of the new Colourpop California Love palette. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Colourpop is at it again. They have, hold on. Make sure y'all. Okay. So Colourpop is back again. I swear, I think they release new makeup every day. I'm convinced that they, not only weekly, but I'm thinking it's definitely every day now. But they just launched the California Love palette, and I tell you, I saw this, you know, and, you know, again, being from California, I was like, the names are not the best. I probably would have gotten a little more hood on the names, you know, like Crenshaw, Inglewood, you know, something like that, downtown LA, you know, something. But, you know, the names are, there's a couple, you know, names in here, but this is the palette, and it's pretty. And it's a 12-pan palette. It looks like we've got 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes, some shimmers, some pressed pigments. It's really pretty, very well put together. So let's just swatch a couple. Diego is the first one, I'm assuming for San Diego. That's Diego. Gnarly, which is a matte. That Sequoia, kind of an orangish color. That one didn't come up well. That's Sequoia. Okay. Gold Rush. I think I'm gonna like Gold Rush. It's kind of reminds me of, maybe I'm just, there we go. That's Gold Rush. Highway 1. Ooh, it's like a nice, ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Laguna is another. Oh yeah, that's kind of a peachy kind of color. El Capitan, the famous El Capitan. Lots of glitter. That one's pretty. Surf Rider, which is the name of a train, Amtrak train. That's pretty. Running out of arm space here. Cahuenga, which is kind of a, ooh, a nice reddish copper color there. Let's see. Mission is brown. Ooh, that's a nice deep brown. 2. Cruisin', gold, shimmer, and then the Bay. The Yay area, as we call it, where E40 is from. So that, they swatch okay. I'm not going to say they swatch perfectly, but, you know, it's definitely a very well put together palette. So I've already got most of my face done. So let's just dive in. Let me wipe some of this off because I feel like I just have makeup all over the place. It's a little warm. It's been, you know, it's definitely summer, you know, here in LA. And we're feeling it. It feels really good. You know, it's been overcast. This is special juice. But it's been overcast and the sun comes out like in the afternoon and it hits like, you know, 85, 90. So that's been like really, really nice to actually feel like summer. So let's dive in, y'all. So, you know, orange is, see, this kind of reminds me of, I have Proceed with Caution right here. Kind of culture. That's what that kind of reminds me of here, this transition color here. And you know, no mirror here, but I love the packaging. I love the palm trees and the color. It's like an orange color. It's actually really pretty, really pretty. And again, this palette, did I need it? No. Did I have to have it? Not really, but again, it was $17 or $18, and that's how Colourpop, you know, gets you. So sorry, I had to get it, y'all. I had to get it. So let's just go in and see what we're working with here. But I think I'm gonna go in. I'm mad they don't have a mirror right here, but at least they have the names, you know, here, but they don't have a mirror right here. But we'll start with the bay here, since proceed with caution sitting right here. And I have not primed my eyes. Oh please, oh please. Okay, so I started with the bay, the yay area in the crease, and so let's go in with, I just like Gold Rush. I like Gold Rush, so let's go on with that. They're powdery, so, but I'm using a really big fluffy brush because I really kind of want to get it all over. Ooh, 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 okay. Ooh, Gold Rush might be the ticket. Oh yeah, oh wow. Man, I even tapped off the excess, and that's kind of still, wow. This is a really good all over brush. This is a Morphe 441 brush, so when I really kind of want to get it high and all over, like I do this, I tend to use this brush. Oh, I like that. Now, what are we thinking, y'all? I'm thinking Mission is that brown, is what I'm thinking. If I take a really small brush and put that in the crease, this really tiny brush here. This is a MAC 221 brush. It's a crease brush, and it is just the look at that. Picked up a lot of product on that. And if I just concentrate this, in the crease, that's why I like this little brush, because it does what it's supposed to do. So let's just continue to kind of build it up here. And I might, you see, and I think, you know, because I have, you know, large hooded eyes, and then I can take, you know, a blending brush and kind of fluff it out. Oh, I may not even have to, y'all. I really, oh wow, this is nice. All right. Yeah. Now, do we want to cut the crease? I mean, what do you think? Does this El Capitan here, that's calling my name. There's no mirror here. That is calling my name. Okay. I'm like, what do you think, y'all? Cut the crease? I say yes. Because I really kind of want that glitter to poppity pop, pop, pop. I'm just going to take a little bit of my L'Oreal Infallible here and just kind of spread this all over the lid here. And just concentrate it on the lid only. A little more, because I'm like, that glitter, it's probably going to be a lot. I might have to use my finger for this, because I don't think this, look at that, y'all. That is El Capitan. It's a famous theater out here, in case you didn't know. Oh, I mean, it is really glittery. I wonder why they named this one El Capitan, though. Maybe because it's in Hollywood and all the glitz and glamour of Hollywood. Maybe. Maybe. That works. Got a lot going on. But it is, oh wow, and it's hard to get off. It's like once it's on, it's on. It's probably not going to budge a whole lot. Okay, so let me just finish up, add some blushes, some lipstick, and I'll have my final thoughts on California Love. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look, and I like it. I like it. So what I did was I took some of Gold Rush and Mission. So Gold Rush and Mission here, and kind of swept them under my eye, and I took Kawanga, that rust color, and put that in the corners there, and I like it. So I since I'm just on Colourpop right now, I use the BFF3 pencil from the Makeup Shayla Proceed with Caution and Slow Down Ultra Satin Lip. I really like it. It's a new lip, and then of course I added my Fenty gloss, the original, on here. So California Love. California Love. Okay. Would I recommend this palette? I think it's useful. I think that glimmer, that glitter, that stuff held up good. And I didn't even need to use my glitter glue for it. And because I have hooded eyes, it really hasn't spread to my crease like glitter normally does for me. So that's a good thing. So it's like when you press it on, I mean, that stuff sticks. I mean, it held on very, very well. I like it. I think it's a well put together color. Is it a neutral palette? Yes, but I'm gonna say it's probably, I don't need to do that. It's probably more like a bronze palette, not like the Pat McGrath Bronze Ambition, not like that. But I like this. I do like this though. I mean, this is something I would travel with this palette. I mean, is it a neutral palette ultimately? Yes, but it's got, you know, that bronze California sunrise, sunset kind of vibe feeling to it, in my opinion. And that's, you know, why I would recommend it, because I think you get a lot of use of it. I would take this, you know, a couple trips, you know, we have planned. I would definitely, you know, take this palette with me. And, you know, as I've said, you know, earlier, I think the palette was $17 or $18. I got a couple of the gel, the cream gel liners, and I didn't really care for them. You know, this one is Get Paid. This is Get Paid. You can see it better here. And then the other one is Overboard. I'm not sure what that has to do with California, but that's Overboard. I ended up, I put them on as eyeliner. it just didn't work. But I would definitely recommend the palette. You know, again, for the price, don't get, you know, as I said in my last video and what I've said all year, I'm only really trying to buy what I have to have. There's been so many releases I have passed on. This one, you know, being a California girl, born and bred, I couldn't pass this one up, you know, simply because I think it's a good representation of California. Again, I probably would have gone with a little more hood names for it, in my opinion, just to kind of mix it up a little bit, because LA is different like that. So I would recommend it. Let me know if you guys are going to pick it up. California love, baby. It doesn't get any better than that. I want to welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. One of my favorite songs. So yes, I would definitely recommend this palette. Grab it. I think it's worth it. I think you'll like it. This glitter, the shadows held up well. They were powdery, but not a lot of fallout. This glitter I am just loving. I'm looking here and I'm like, oh my God, I am so in love with this glitter. So let me know what you guys think. I recommend it. Thumbs up on California love, y'all. Until next time, TeeTee is out. Bye.